This is a Caselogic 14.1-inch laptop and iPad slim case. MSRP on this guy is $19.99. I've seen it discounted to $14.99. I actually bought this off of a deal of the day website for $5.33. I think that's kind of your lower price limit on it. So we have zippers at the top. So on the inside, in addition to the laptop pocket and kind of the whole interior area, there's also this vertical pocket, which I believe is for your iPads or tablets. And so you can see here my tablet fits down into that. It sticks up a little bit, but the zipper on the top will still close. I can also fit this tablet inside the front zipper compartment here. Or just down inside. And inside you also have the optional shoulder strap. So let's take a look at this, the laptop. So my laptop is right at that edge, the 14.1 inch, but it does fit in there. So my laptop is 12 3/4 inches, and that's a snug fit there. I wouldn't want to go any wider than that. This way it's 8.5 inches. You could go up to 9 inches, but that's about the size you want for your laptop, is 12 1/2 to 12 3/4 by no more than 9 inches to fit this bag. There's also this opening up here, which has places for pins or things to slip in there. There's a small pocket here. It's hand size but relatively flat. You could put a phone in there, zip it shut, wallet, something small, cables, so forth. So it has a pretty nice set of carry handles here in addition to the shoulder strap. Shoulder strap does have a little hard plasticky rubber pad on it. It's not as comfortable as some foam ones I've seen, but it will certainly help spread that weight around a little bit. There's also a luggage slot on the back here, so you can have a handle from a roller board, and this guy would fit on top. And Caselogic does offer a 25-year quality guarantee on this particular bag. This is the Caselogic 3201576 black for 14.1-inch laptops and 9.7-inch iPads. So this is what it looks like with the attached shoulder strap, although it's really lightweight enough that I think most people would just carry it with the handles. Now they say a 9.7-inch iPad. I'm using this guy here. It's 10 inches by 7 inches, and it fit both in the interior and in the kind of the front zippered pocket. So at a $20 MSRP, I'm pretty darn impressed with this bag, and I'm very happy with it at the $5.33 price that I paid for it.